are you? Wally! Wally! Look at Mom! Oh! Look at my little dinosaur! Look at my little dinosaur! Wally, put your hat on. Put your hood on. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Put your hood on. There we go. No, it doesn't want to stay on because your big ears. Wally, don't eat your costume. Wally, happy Halloween. I'm sorry you hate your costume. You don't have to wear it. You look really cute. He's eating it. Look at that tail. Oh. Oh. Wally! Oh my god. Alright, I'll take it off. Wally! It's not that bad. Leave it alone! Leave it alone!